Hi everyone! Today's video is all about the Dyson. I'm so excited for today's video. I just bought this Dyson hand dryer and I feel like I want to do a review. First of all, I would like to say that I think I've been to the salon for like less than 10 times in my life. I never use the hair dryer myself. I have the urge to buy the hair dryer and I saw a lot of people using the Dyson and I feel like maybe I should do a review about it, even though it's kind of super pricey because a lot of people say that my hair looks fucked, but it's okay because I'm cute. Anyway, I never use the hair dryer. I love to let it air dry. And by the way, this one is like 400 bucks US price. In Thailand, it's around 500 bucks and it's 10% off, so I bought it. Anyway, this is half of my paycheck and I'm excited. I don't know, usually do you get the box with it? But this one, they gave me the box for free. I think the usual hair dryer wouldn't give you the box, but I get it for free. Anyway, it's cute, compact, and big. It's like this kind of big. So cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. And super pricey. There are 4 attachments and the description. Oh my god, let's try it. So fancy. I read it online. This one is for like precise look with the comb. This attachments is for like use your hands, something like that, easy look. And they also give you this one, which I haven't done the research. And I kind of would like to use this one because I have kind of wavy hair. This is like first impression unboxing things. It's like a magnet. Oh my god. For the first round, I think I'm gonna review all of them, but the first round, I'm gonna do like something that I would do every day. So normally I just detangle my hair. I have the kind of curly, wavy hair, but my hair is super thin and it breaks a lot. So I like to detangle my hair so that we don't have that problem. And so I'm gonna use this attachment for my hands. Just wanna do for like everyday quick blow drying, something like that. Alright. Oh my goodness. So I feel like I wanna try with the first heat. It took around 6 minutes and my hair is like 90% dry. Oh my goodness. Normally I took 3 hours for my hair to completely dry by itself, but this one is 6 minutes. I don't know, I use the first level of the heat, and it's a little bit hot, but I think I'm not familiar with the heat from the air dry because I never use it. My goodness. I feel like I'm shook. I'm gonna use the cold air to finish it. My first impression, my hair feels really smooth. I have nothing bad to say, but I'm gonna review more. I'm gonna use all of the attachments and try the different heat level. Alright, I'll be right back. By the way, it's never been this quick. My hair never feels this smooth. My goodness. My goodness. And I'm back. Today I'm gonna do a review for this attachment. This one, I did some research, and gentle air attachment is good for gentle drying for fine hair and delicate scalps, and I have those things. I have super thin fine hair and delicate scalp. So I'm gonna do a comparison between no heat and the hottest level of the I feel like it's 95% dry, and it's like 3 minutes and a half. And for my first impression for the heat, I don't feel like it's too hot at all. And for some reason with this tool, my hair still shiny and good. My goodness, it only takes 3.5 minutes for this one. Oh my god, I'm shook. I'm excited to use this one more because I think this one help your hair dry faster. But this gentle one already make it dry so fucking fast. And I'm gonna do a review for no heat for this one. Oh my god. Hi guys, and lastly, I'm gonna use this attachment for like with no heat because I feel like someday I would like to just relax, spend a little bit more time to dry my hair. And you know, one thing about the cool air, it really makes me feel so relaxed and fresh, and it doesn't feel hot or anything. So I'm gonna show you guys trying Dyson without heat with this gentle attachment. Alright guys, this is like 5 minutes and 40 seconds, and my hair is like 90% dry. I mean on the root. I would just want to focus on the root. It feels so amazing. I just realized how like using the hair dryer would feel this good because like I never use it. So with 5 minutes and everything is like I'm good to go. And my hair looks so shiny. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back again. Today I'm gonna use this one, the big and for curly hair. Yeah, actually I have kind of a little bit of wavy hair, so I'm excited to see how this turn out. I'm gonna use the strongest wind and the hardest heat. It's kind of hot, but anyway, we have to do up. And that was like 2 minutes, so I'm gonna put a timer now. I think it looks kind of decent and kind of cute, but it's kind of take a long time. When I do this, it doesn't feel hot on my scalp, which is really good, but when I touch the hair, it's fucking hot. Alright, here is my finished look. I think it's kinda cute curl. It took around 8 minutes to finish this thing. It's like 90% dry right now, but I think it's okay for like curly hair. You don't have to do like 100% dry. So 8.5 minutes. I would say that it's harder than the other attachments to use, but the thing is, with your curly hair, you actually take more time to do it. I believe so, and it's not super long at all, and it looks good. It doesn't feel too hot on my scalp, which is amazing, but it feels really hot on the hair. But for my opinion, it looks shiny because of some technology that they have. It looks good, I think. What do you guys think? I'll be right back for the next attachment. I don't know, it feels kind of weird. I have super thin hair, so I'll take everything down. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's get this. This one is, I did a research and it's for like more precise thing. And I don't know what am I doing. My hair is super thin and it's hard to use it. I'm not an expert, but I'm gonna keep doing that. Alright guys, it's been around 8 minutes. I don't know what am I doing, but I can say that my hair looks kinda strange, but it depends on how you style them and the comb that you have. And I feel like my hair is kinda silky smooth, but me personally, I think I don't like to use that with a comb. It's like hard and I don't see my hair. I don't know, maybe I need another comb to do that, but I'll keep practicing more. And that's my first impression for that attachment. Hi guys, welcome back, and this is the final result about this hair dryer Dyson. I've been using this hair dryer for like almost a month, and I would say that I went from a person who never dry my hair, I let it air dry all the time. I went from that person to be the person that like I have to use this one. Like, it's fucking relaxing and cooling on your head. I don't know how to say it, but now I become a new person who would love to use this every day. I know it's super pricey, but I don't know, I like it a lot. And it's fucking big. You get a lot of attachments. I wash my hair every day, so I use this for like no heat, and I use this attachment, the gentle one. I only take like 5 to 6 minutes to completely dry my hair without heat, and that's really good. It doesn't damage my hair at all, and it feels really cool and amazing. It's become a new routine of mine that I love it a lot. It's like a new self-care thing, and I love it. But when you use the heat for this one, it only takes like 3 minutes to completely dry your hair. That's, oh my god. For this one, I would say that it can become too hot for this attachment, but I mean not for your head, but if you touch this one, it will be super hot. So maybe you need a glove for this one. And that day that I use this one, my hair becomes so big and curly. and I fucking love it. So that's the only bad thing that I can say to this one. And for these two, this one is for like if you use your hands to dry your hair. It's kind of good and super strong wind, but I just love the gentle one more. That's it. And for this one, it's good if you use a lot of hair comb to style your hair. I used one time, my hair looks fucking amazing all day. It's kind of take a little bit more time, but I would say that if I practice a lot, it would become so handy, but I haven't done that a lot. I should practice more with some attachments, and that's it. So if you really look for something professional hair dryer and really saves your time, I think you should check this one. I love it so much. I went from the just like I said, I'm a person who never dry my hair, but this makes me love drying my hair and it doesn't damage my hair at all. But if you use heat, it's a little bit damaged but not a lot from my experience. If you like always use the heat on your hair and you use this one, oh my god, 3 to 5 minutes your hair is done. And that's it guys, my final result and review and demo for this one. I freaking love it. I don't know, I would leave it to you guys, like should you spend $400 for a hair dryer? I did. I know it's kind of stupid, but I enjoy it so much. I spend money for my happiness and that's not cute, but I did it anyway. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.